So, guys, how do you feel about the whole ride, about India, Indian road, and you rode a Royal Enfield? You ride a GS 1200 in your country. So now, obviously, this is not, it's not GS.
It's not a 1200.
Yeah, it is 400.
It's only a 400.
So 1/3. Okay, so according to that, 1/3 of the expectation you can say. Okay.
It's certainly a third of the expectation. That's not a problem at all.
Okay.
It doesn't compare, of course, technically, because the 1200 is a very refined machine.
Right.
Then you just rev it a bit and it goes.
It goes.
If you rev this one a bit, nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
So you need to rev it a lot, and then it will do a bit. That's
Right.
good. That's good.
Right.
What I like about the type of bike, for me, it fits me perfectly. I have long legs.
Okay.
I like to sit high.
Right.
I like to see what happens.
Right.
I like to stand up. You can do that easily with this bike and get very high. I like that. Overview.
Right.
So
Right.
that is good.
That is good.
Technically, yeah. I mean, as you say, it's a 400. It takes a while to get up to speed.
Right.
It reminds me of an old tractor.
Tractor.
So it's, but it will do it. It will do the job. I like it.
Okay.
I would, if I had to do it again, I'd do it again.
Right.
Same bike, no problem.
And road grip brakes. What do you feel about it?
Yeah, I'm not sure. You told me there were special tires on it, right?
No,
So
these tires come standard with the
these are
bike.
standard.
They are kind of you can say off-road tires basically.
Okay.
Knobby tires.
Yeah.
So they might not do so great on
I
tarmac.
had no issues with it. Of course, I needed to get used to. There's no ABS on this bike,
Uh-huh.
so I blocked it a few times,
Right.
which is a bit.
But you got used to it.
You get used to it. Yeah. So
Okay.
you need to.
Right. And about the average mileage, I think from yesterday you had been like calculating how much fuel it is eating up.
Yeah, but not very precisely.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I noticed it went down a lot faster when we did the 100.
110 or
plus.
120.
Yeah,
Right, right.
That used half the tank for not much
Right.
more than. What did we do? 110.
110 on an average, you can say.
Yeah.
110, 120 also sometimes you did.
120. Of course, we had
This guards and
36 hairpins.
hairpin
and,
guards, yeah.
so then it doesn't go very
Right. So a lot of people they use this bike for a little bit of off-roading, and like Leh, Ladakh. You have never been to Leh, Ladakh, right? Maybe next time when
First
you
time
come,
India,
we should do it.
yeah.
It's a very nice track.
Next
You
time.
can take the same bike. There it will do very good. Because there anyway you can't do speeds. Roads are bad. These tires will do great.
Very good.
So what about our
keep it to that.
Indian roads?
Indian roads. Well,
Yeah.
it all depends on what you compare it with, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So this road,
Huh?
Bangalore, Mysuru,
Mysore Road.
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, the traffic is of course not comparable. It's busy. People go all sides. There's
They
not
will
that
cross
much,
from any
there's
side.
not that much discipline.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
You might have seen 2-3 places. I also had a tough time.
Yes, I did see that.
Yeah.
Even I passed you.
Yes. Because you have got. Because I
It all
have a
depends
pillion.
on how the traffic comes together.
Right. I also have got a pillion and a heavy bike.
Yeah.
It takes a little time to.
Yeah.
Nice. So.
No, of course, the traffic is much more chaotic. You need to get used to it.
Yes.
You cannot apply.
But you are doing good.
You cannot apply European. You cannot.
We cannot apply any country. Okay, tell me any other country you have visited which is even bad or worse than this place.
Worse than this.
Uh-huh.
Thailand.
Traffic sense and all
Thailand.
that. Is it?
Areas of Thailand.
Is it?
I've not done motorbikes in many other countries,
Oh, okay.
so I cannot compare.
Uh-huh.
Only Europe,
Nice.
Canada. Canada is very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, they don't speed.
They don't speed, yeah. True.
You have no speed limit.
Here we have speed limits, but it is not for. On the highways, people do any kind of speed, but I don't do. Mine is
There's no
120.
official speed limit.
No, there is.
Oh, there is.
These
I didn't
highways
know.
max it
You
should
should
be
have told
80.
me.
Oh, he didn't say you. I think Stig was supposed to say you. Yeah, it's okay. Half of the
There's a speed limit. You said there was no speed limit.
Oh, there is speed limit, man. In all the highways, it has got speed limit.
What is speed limit?
What?
It doesn't go to speed limit.
See, that's the problem. How?
The Himalayan will never reach the speed limit.
No.
Oh, it's 80 man in these highways.
120.
No. I don't think in Indian roads no 120.
120.
Himalayan doesn't go above the 120.
120 is the speed limit on
Maybe
Intercom.
with the tailwind. With the headwind, no.
What is your opinion about the Dominar? You tell me honestly. See, you didn't ride that bike, okay? You just have to say which one looks good among them.
Okay, so beauty is in the eye of the beholder. You know that.
Subjective, right?
You can
Right.
same. He says the same. So I like the view of this bike. I don't like the view of a racing bike. I just don't like it.
So
I
you-
did it in the
so,
past.
So in simple words, you don't like Strix bike. That is what. This is controversial topic, you know.
I'm absolutely okay with that. You see, as a matter of fact, even I don't like certain things about my bike.
Right,
It's got a very small fuel tank.
right.
The suspension travel could have been
Better.
about 2 inches both sides.
Maybe you have to combine these two bikes and.
Spinning all the beams. Don't do that. That's bad. Anyways, guys, delete whatever. he said.
No, it is a direct video. I'm going to upload it right away.
I like the 1200.
Go ahead.
This one looks a little bit like
Little bit like that. Yeah. Right. Just little bit more refined and all that.
just a bit more.
10 more BHP on
A bit
this,
more.
I would have bought this.
A bit more
Right.
power would be nice.
Right.
Up mountain yesterday, it was struggling.
Right.
And that wasn't me. It was the bike.
Nice.
But
So-
it's good. I had a great weekend. Much
Right.
better than.
So this is a good bike. Even I like it.
Well, no, I don't know. You got scared. Even before you went.
No, I don't think anyway he was scared. He was riding very nicely.
People had scared him. Like,
the people were scared.
Ah,
that's the perception that we need to change, right?
right. So this bike is actually a good bike in India. Just that there are small issues with the bike, and the service centers are not so great for Royal
I haven't
Enfield.
seen a single other Himalayan.
Himalayan, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
I've not seen any other bike. I've seen lots of bikes. I have not seen a single.
On our right
The
we
only
didn't
other
see.
Himalayan I've seen is a brand new one in the store. Unsold.
That's because people usually take it to off-road destinations and all that, and you have not been so far.
We didn't go off.
So yeah, and see, if you see the price point, it's a good bike for that price. And they're also coming up with ABS, so that locking will not happen.
Yeah.
Next time you will have a ABS Himalayan.
Next time.
Next time.
Great. I look forward to it.
Okay, class. So thank you so much
Thank you,
for
Bolo.
this video. We'll upload this video and share you the link. It's a raw video. So you know what? My channel is famous for raw videos. Raw as in there is no edit, no cut.
Unedited.
Yeah, unedited.
Very
So
good.
that's how it happens.
how
Now
I
we are
like
going to upload this.
Okay.
Okay, you want to
Check it
say
out.
something to my subscribers? Anything?
Anything.
It's a family. Basically, the subscribers are family.
Most
Whatever we do.
important thing,
Mm-hmm.
have fun, stay safe.
Stay safe.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Adi, you want to say something?
Guys,
Now, Adi is Indian guy, but he is now going to settle down in Netherlands.
so guys, I mean, what is I so want Bulubhai to hit 100k probably in next 2 months. So let's make that happen. Like, comment, share all his videos. Make him 100k. As soon as
No,
possible.
man. 2 months is too fast. Let it be 2018 anyway.
Let's
It is
aim
okay.
for the start so that we reach for the moon.
Right. So now, Stig, from you, obviously your Dominar has done how many kilometers now? Almost 20.
19,964.
So you are going to complete it. I think 20,000 it's going to happen today itself.
Today, in about half an hour, it will happen.
So when you move to Netherlands, are you going to miss this bike?
Oh, yes, a lot.
But you are going to buy some bike there, right? Some Yamaha.
All those are like to be. Don't spill the beans.
Okay.
So
Right.
yeah, so Dominar stays in Bangalore. It's gonna be with another friend of mine.
Right.
The fact is that the more I ride this bike, the more I
Love it. Yeah, that also is the case with me. But when I say good things about Dominar, people just say that this guy has taken money from Bajaj.
I see, it's not about taking money from Bajaj. I mean,
when something is good, you'll always say good about
because
it.
I
Right?
mean, if you look at touring on Indian highways,
Right.
we'll do about 130, 140, which is safe. I don't
Right.
consider more than that as safe.
Right.
On Indian highways at least. And this bike is flawless. I mean, it gamely keeps up with big bikes
Right. That's true. That's true.
easily. There are things could be made better. Maybe a bigger windscreen. I mean, I keep on telling. I have tested.
Yeah, we have. In fact, I have also created so many videos Like what could be better in this bike?
Probably Bajaj is listening to this and they will
Yeah,
fix it in the next version.
they will. So then, thank you so much.
Cheers, bye-bye. Right safe.
So now, well guys, I am here. So right now we are at KFC. It is on the way to Bangalore. I think we are just about 65 or 70 kilometers to reach Bangalore. And yeah, I am riding the horses with my wife. My wife is sitting, she's there. And तो ये जो राइड का जो वीडियो है हम लोग मोस्ट लाइकली आई अपलोड दैट टुमारो. This is an unedited video, so I'll upload it right away. Cheers guys.